How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Can I take a picture of your dog?
Sure.
Cookie.
Cookie?
Yep.
It's a girl?
Yep.
What kind of dog is she?
Shih Tzu pug.
I ain't got it. How old is she?
She's 3.
3?
A few months older than her. We decided to get a dog right before we had a baby.
Really? Whose idea was that?
Makes sense.
Mine.
Yeah. How would you describe her personality?
Spunky.
What are your names?
Emily, Chris, and Aubrey.
Emily, Chris, Aubrey.
And Cookie.
Okay. Cookie. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to
Tony.
meet y'all, too.
Thank you.
Ella.
Hi.
Nice to
All right.
meet y'all.
Thank you.